Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you uh, how to find the Gemini settings on your account easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, then click on your profile up here, and then as you see here you will find the settings. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage the Gemini settings. So you find your public links, the Gemini's voice, the languages, the screen context, Gemini unlock screen. So that's it. That's how to find the Gemini settings on your account easy and quickly. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.